Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, depending on where you're listening to me. IPOB supporters have invaded Rivers State and on our soil had killed, destroyed the properties of Muslim Northerners. Muslim Northerners for a crime committed by a Christian. Mosques 6 were vandalized. One mosque was burnt down, and totally vandalized. When I heard the information yesterday about Muslim being attacked, in fact, it was a Christian relation living at Obibo that called me that oil mill is an old area, Northerners and others were fighting because an Aboki killed a Christian. And immediately I reached out to members of the Northern community. Immediately I started making calls. And most of them were unaware of what was happening. In fact, I don't want to mention their name, but one of them told me that the person is lying, there is no such incident. And immediately he said, I said, look, try to find out. And immediately swung to action. And he later called me that indeed there was a riot going on and Northerners are being attacked. And he was in a position as the leader, one of the leaders of the Northern community, to immediately do something about it. So I urged him to immediately do something about it. I called some security officers immediately to alert them, which they told me they already know, and they are trying to put mechanism in place to stop what was happening. Finally, in the night, because my phone kept ringing and we kept talking. Finally, in the night, I got one of the Northern leaders, one of the Arewa leaders, who told me that two Christians fought. One from Benue, a Tifi man, and the other one from Adamawa. The one from Adamawa, two Christians. The one from Adamawa stabbed the one from Benue to death. Immediately, the Igbos around took it over and started a Aboki must go protest. Destroyed all the shops owned mostly by Northern Muslims. I don't think there was any Christian shop that was destroyed. And attack mosque, vandalize the oil mill mosque, attack the one mosque. And it is feared that people must have been captured and have been killed. Two Christians fought. One Christian stabbed another Christian to death. Because they are from the north, immediately it became a fight by Igbo's element. When we will react, they should not turn our state to battlefield. If they want to fight their war, they should go to their own state. We will not allow it in our own state. Because when we will react, we will do that. By that time they will run. You can run anywhere. You can't turn our state to battleground to fight your ethnic war, to fight your religious war. Rivers State cannot be converted to a battleground. We are warning you now, because we will not take it from you. We are warning you, we will not take it from you. Enough is enough. It is not Rivers people that reacted. The Arewa Consultative Forum in the north, in Rivers State, had issued a statement, had come out openly that the two people involved in the fight were northerners of the Christian faith, and the one from Adamawa stabbed the one from Benue to death. So how does it concern Muslims? How does it concern us? When they were attacking the Muslim, do they distinguish between Yoruba Muslim, Ipob Muslim? Every Muslim was attacked. Just because we say la ilaha illallah, we are Muslim, we were attacked in our own space, in our own state, by strangers on our land, for crimes we did not commit, turning our state into battlefield. Hey, they hate us. Who is hating the Igbo? What do they have that they are hating us? Did they produce an Otedola or a Dangote? Why would they hate? The average Rivers man does not hate a Yoruba man. The average Rivers man does not hate an Hausa man, does not hate a Doe man. There must be something you are doing for people to dislike you. If you can't live in other people's space, go back to your home. Because if you foment trouble in other people's space, you'll be dealt with. Let's not wait. And the next thing, bam, Aboki. Bam, Muslims. Our place of worship was burnt. Our places of worship were vandalized. For no just reason. Me, all I know me now. All I know me say I go come after Ona now. I go catch Ona now. Now nobody is complaining, no. In the riot that took place, you can hardly see a Rivers person that participated in that gruesome act of destruction that you carried out. That I'm sure of. Rivers people are not like that. I know that no Ikwere person was involved. There was a demonstration in Igrita by the youth of Igrita and the people of Igrita. I know that Igbo element had joined the demonstration, but in Igrita, did they attack anybody? It was a peaceful demonstration at Igrita. No person was attacked. No property was attacked. They registered their grievances, their accusation, whether it was the accusation were right or wrong, but it was done in a peaceful manner. The owners of the state, the owners of the house cannot put fire in their house. They did not go about destroying things because they know that after the strangers had left, they are the ones who are going to continually see the damaged houses, the burnt houses, and everything. They conducted themselves in a civilized manner. We are not the only people in this country. We are not the only people in this world. You can't be going to other people's place and carrying out this sort of activities and think that the people will not react. All the Igbo organization should warn these people that Rivers people will not tolerate our land being turned to a battlefield between Muslims and Christians. Will not allow it. If you want to do it, go to your place and let the fight go on there. To be forewarned is to be forearmed.